Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Claude Haiku for high-speed, low-cost automation. Claude Haiku is Anthropic's fastest and most cost-efficient model, making it an excellent choice for automation workloads that process large numbers of requests. Rather than using a more expensive model for every task, Haiku allows you to build applications that are responsive, scalable, and economical, while still delivering high-quality results for routine operations. In this guide, you'll install the required SDK, configure your API credentials, build an automated batch processing pipeline, and measure its performance to ensure your automation workflow is running efficiently. The first step is to open your terminal. If you haven't already installed the SDK, begin by running the command that installs the official Anthropic client package. This package provides everything your application needs to communicate with the Claude API and is the recommended way to integrate Claude into automation projects. Wait for the installation to complete successfully before continuing. Next, configure your authentication. Still inside your terminal, run the command that exports your API authentication key into your active terminal shell environment. This makes your API key available to your application without embedding sensitive credentials directly into your source code. Before moving on, verify that the key has been exported successfully so your application can authenticate with Claude. Once authentication is configured, you're ready to build your automation workflow. Run the provided script that creates a automated batch processor. This processor is responsible for handling large collections of tasks efficiently by sending them to Claude Haiku in an organized workflow. Depending on your application, the batch processor may read items from a queue, process files in batches, submit multiple prompts, handle automation jobs, organize results, record successful completions, retry failed requests when appropriate. Using batch processing helps maximize throughput while reducing unnecessary overhead. Because Haiku is optimized for low latency, it performs particularly well when handling high-volume workloads. After creating the batch processor, the final step is to evaluate its performance. Return to your terminal. Run the provided command that executes the pipeline and measures its processing velocity. This benchmark helps you evaluate how efficiently your automation workflow is running. Depending on your implementation, the performance measurements may include request processed, total execution time, throughput, average response time, processing latency, success rate, overall efficiency. Review the results after the benchmark completes. If necessary, continue refining your batch size, request scheduling, or workflow logic to further improve performance. It is important to understand that Haiku is designed for speed and efficiency rather than the deepest possible reasoning. To summarize, using Claude Haiku for high-speed, low-cost automation begins by opening your terminal and installing the official Anthropic client package. Next, export your API authentication key into your active terminal shell environment so your application can securely communicate with Claude. Then, run the provided script that creates an automated batch processor capable of handling large volumes of routine tasks efficiently. Finally, execute the provided command to run the complete automation pipeline and measure its processing velocity, allowing you to evaluate throughput, latency, and overall workflow performance. Claude Haiku is an excellent choice for automation systems because it combines low latency with outstanding cost efficiency. By building a batch processing workflow, securely managing your API credentials, and building an automated batch processor, and regularly benchmarking your pipeline, you can create scalable AI-powered automation that handles large workloads quickly while keeping operating costs under control. And that's how to use Claude Haiku for high-speed, low-cost automation. By installing the official SDK, securely configuring your API credentials, building an automated batch processor, and measuring your pipeline's performance, you can take full advantage of Haiku's speed and affordability to create efficient, scalable automation workflows. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.